Hello everyone, this is Matt Trait, and thank you for checking out my classroom overview screencast. For our project here in EDT 6020, we were tasked with creating an online classroom environment utilizing a learning management system. In Newcastle County Vo-Tech, where I work, we utilize Schoology on a daily basis. This is the first time I've created an online classroom environment in full, so this was an exciting opportunity to kind of grow and learn as I go. Currently, we're at the home screen of our Phys Ed 2 Section 7-9 course. We have a picture of the rowing machines in the Del Castle weight room as our classroom picture, and you can see here all our folders are neatly laid out with our lessons and various items. So the first thing students will do is they go into the Getting Started folder. This would be a welcome to class, give a little brief overview on what our goals are for the course. We also have housed in here our objectives. So some things that we're going to cover throughout the duration of the course and some policies and procedures that I expect the students to follow. Right into the general information with our syllabus, our discussion and collaboration policies, and a reference page for some of our references within the LMS. In our syllabus, we're going to go over expectations for the course as well as contact information for myself and a direct link to our Schoology page. I'm going to go over the unit summary and some of our physical education standards that we have here at Del Castle, as well as a rough learning unit outline and schedule for the students to follow. We developed a community discussion board where our students are able to share resources and basic ideas. This community discussion board would be separate from our weekly discussions, which we'll get to in a moment. Any resources that students should need throughout the duration of the course are located in our resources folder. This is going to give us videos to complete the fitnessgram, as well as some more information on Fit for Life. These videos and this information is also tagged within their individual lessons, but this is just kind of a home base for our references. Below references, we have our troubleshooting page, which is going to take us to a YouTube video, which is going to allow us to navigate the course. When you open up our course page, mine's going to look slightly different. This provides an opportunity for students to fix problems on their own without having to contact me if they get lost while navigating the course. This is a great reference to have, video tutorial for the students to use at their leisure. Throughout the duration of the course, students will have an opportunity to work both individually and in small groups, utilizing various assessments on Schoology through the learning management system, as well as assessments through various web tools. In Lesson 4, we'll utilize a Kahoot as a pre- and a post-test. This is where students will be tested on their prior knowledge of the weight room and lifelong fitness concepts. So the idea is we'll run a Kahoot as a pre-test, collect the scores, and then scramble the questions and run a Kahoot post-test at the end and see what our retention was from the beginning to the end of this lesson. Assessments through Schoology include completing the 5 fitnessgram tests, the pacer, push-up, curl-up, sit and reach, and trunk lift, where students will record their scores and then have an opportunity to set personal goals based off of the Healthy Fitness Zone standards. For their group projects, students will create a workout, a 3-day workout designed around the 3 main elements of a warm-up activity, cardiovascular endurance activity, and muscular strength and endurance activity. For this project, they're going to utilize web tool VoiceThread, where they collaborate and ultimately house their final project. Each student within the group is tasked to design a different portion. So one student will be set to do the warm up, one for the cardiovascular endurance, and one for the muscular strength. Thank you for checking out my screencast on our classroom overview. This project has been very beneficial and something that I'm looking forward to incorporate in my class for the remainder of the school year.